BEA's MS51 series presents long-lasting, battery-powered, active infrared touchless actuators that provide an easy 3-step installation and reliable operation. The MS51W offers an integrated 900 MHz wireless transmitter for a completely wireless solution. This solution boasts superior battery life, with 3 years of uninterrupted operation across a range of applications and environments. MS51 offers reliable operation, with key features engineered to ensure performance in challenging conditions. An advanced light cancellation feature reduces false detections from direct sun and harsh lighting in exposed areas. Window pollution sensing and selectable immunity modes enhance performance and reduce false detections from rain, water spray, and snow. MS51W offers an integrated 900 MHz wireless transmitter for a completely wireless solution. A simple 3-step process ensures quick push-plate retrofit, reducing overall installation time and cost. BEA's Magic Switch line of touchless actuators is suitable for surgical, washdown, clean room, and pharmaceutical applications. Its robust construction is designed for harsh environments, with a stainless steel faceplate and IP65 rating. The MS51 series includes plain or standard text with hand or accessibility icons. Faceplate options are available in jam, single gang, double gang, and 6-inch round. Go touchless today and visit BEA-MS51.com to learn more about BEA's MS51 sensors.